Hi everyone, this is Asim with a weekly analysis starting from 1st April till 5th April 2019. It's going to be really volatile week as we discussed last week. The way we have discussed the market, it moved in the same direction, and I'm hoping that everybody who watched my video had made some nice and blue pips from the market. Before I start my analysis, I would ask those who have just joined for the first time, kindly click on the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get all the updates that we post on weekly and daily basis. Starting my analysis with the economic calendar, as you can see, we have got German manufacturing PMI from Britain as well. Core CPI report is there from the Eurozone, retail sales from the States, and manufacturing PMI on Monday. On Tuesday, we have got from Australia, we have got interest rate decision, RBI statement, construction PMI from the Britain, and core durable goods orders from States. On Wednesday, we can see that we got retail sales from the Australia, services PMI from the Britain, non-farm payroll change from the States, non-manufacturing PMI and crude oil inventories are the really important events. On Thursday, we don't have a lot of important events as from the Eurozone, we have got a monetary policy meeting, and on Friday, we have got non-farm payrolls, one of the really important event that will happen, and we do expect a bigger volatility in the market from Friday from the States as non-farm payroll. I'll be making a separate video on non-farm payroll, on how to trade on non-farm payroll, and we have previously also done some videos on how to trade on non-farm payroll, so you can watch that one. We have got from Canada, we have got employment rate change, so that's really important news as well. Throughout the week, we are having a really great volatility in the market, and we have a very big chance to take some great profits from the market. Looking into the dollar index, as you can see that we have seen a very nice bullish candle at the on dollar index, and we did speculate in the last video that it will move above as due to the previous experience that there was a very great red candle closing and it was a inverted hammer. So we did expected a volatility towards upward, and we did speculated that it will go above 97 points, and it went to 97.21. Currently we are expecting that it will breach above 97.56 and will try to attain 97.92. I'm bullish at this moment, but it can cause a bearish momentum on Monday as it might fall to the point of 96.99 or below. But from that point, we would expect a volatility towards upward and would expect the market to move upward in upward direction. Moving on to the Euro USD on a weekly chart, as we can see that on a weekly basis, currently it's trading at 1.1 to 178, and I'm expecting that it will fall below this one. It will attain once again 1.117 and will try to go towards 1.106. Though on Monday, as I said, it will try to be between Monday and Tuesday, it will be trading below the pivot, and it will be in between 1.134 to 1.1123. So be careful. I would ask you to buy at the highest level and sell at the highest level and close the position at the lowest one. Moving on to the GBPUSD. GBPUSD on a weekly momentum, as I said, it's at a downfall, and from last 2 weeks we are expecting a volatility and a momentum towards downward direction. I would be expecting the move towards support 2, which is at 1.287, and would expect it to move further to support 3, which is lying at 1.273. 1.273, and would expect this volatility to break this support as well, and might come below this level as well. So I would ask to have the bearish momentum as the dollar is weaker and dollar is stronger day by day, and I would expect that strength will affect GBPUSD as well. USD Canadian dollar, as you can see on weekly analysis, we did speculated that it will have a higher momentum, but apart from that one, when the oil prices, it did affected. It went at as high as 1.345, but it fell down. Currently it's below the pivot, and I would expect it to go a little bit higher, but it's going to be a little bit sideways, and we do expect a volatility on sideways for this market in this week. So I'm not speculating any specific direction on either way, but you can make some good pips in between resistance one, which is at 1.349, and support one 1.3 311. It will be a sideways market for this week, and you can make the profit on both sides. Coming into the last pair, which is gold, we called for caution as we were not sure of the momentum, whether it will take an upward momentum or a downward. But it went down, and now it's trading currently at 1292.17, and would expect that it will further drop, but it will not drop. Maximum that it may drop will be at 1278.7. I would expect it to go high when it touches this point and would start a bullish momentum. So currently in next 2 days I'm expecting to touch 1.1278, and then I would expect it to go higher and will attain a bullish momentum. So that's all from me with weekly analysis. I hope and wish you a good luck for next week. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to leave any comments so that we can improve the quality of the video and analysis, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you so much for watching us. Thank you.